Christmas Day, the old familiar carols play. Wild and sweet, the words repeat of peace on earth, goodwill to men. I thought of how the day had come, the belfries of all Christendom, and rolled along the unbroken song of peace on earth, goodwill to men. In despair I bowed my head. There is no peace on earth, I said, for hate is strong and mocks the song of peace on earth, goodwill to men. Then peal the bells more loud and deep. God is not dead, nor doth he sleep. Wrong shall fail, the right prevail. Peace on earth, goodwill to men. Singing on its way, the world revolved from night to day. A voice, a chime, a chant sublime of peace on earth, goodwill to men. I heard the bells on Christmas Day, the old familiar carols play. Wild and sweet, the words repeat